phone or I will blow up the block before you can make the lobby.
We'll close it from the bunker before it gets to a city I care about.
Help me overthrow him before he becomes too strong. Overthrow!
Father wants you in full dress before the Emperor's herald arrives.
We have to stop this thing before it gets to the overpass! I'll be back before the previews are over!
You're gonna get stuck out there, and I'm gonna have to get you before another fish does.
All right, gang. We have less than 48 hours before Darla gets here.
I'm gonna clean the fish tank before Darla gets here.
Sir, we will lose power before we penetrate that shell.
You're gonna have to master all of them before you hit the streets!
We're just saying we might need to hose you down again before we take you to Cinna.
It is only a matter of time before he returns.
If you kill Ludendorff before we find the gas, we won't be able to stop anything.
I will stop Ares!
How much longer before the Time Ripper is active?
Please urge them to stop this war before it's too late.
We have to get him out before they kill us.
Once he kills someone, he gets a taste for it. If we can get to him before that happens, promise you'll give me a chance to put him on a different path.
Before we begin, Professor Dumbledore would like to say a few words.
Let's go this way. Before the staircase moves again. I'm going to bed before either of you come up with another clever idea to get us killed. Or worse, expelled. Fudge has to see Buckbeak before we steal him. Next time there's a ball, pluck up the courage and ask me before somebody else does.
Bit peaky, but I'm afraid dinner will have to wait until after the meeting's finished.
I know I will be dead long before you read this.
The Potter boy will not be moved until the 30th of this month, the day before he turns 17.
You're looking fit. Yeah, he's absolutely gorgeous. Let's say we get undercover before someone murders him.
Well, I suppose I'll have to kill him before he finds me then.
Before the night is out, he will come to me.
Before he does it again.
Before I kill you.
Before I reach my hotel, I'll be assassinated.
Before we get started, does anyone want to get out?
Before you do me in, Mr. McManus, you will let me finish my business with Miss Finneran first, won't you?
Before you make any big decisions, will you and your lovely bride join me for dinner?
But before you take us away, I have one thing to say.
But I'm gonna break up with her before she leaves.
Dad, I may not know who he is, but I know where he's gonna be and what he's gonna do before he gets there.
Everyone in your village will be dead before you get there.
Get the hell off my property before I call the police.
He'll be back before you can say noodles.
If you kiss a man like that, you will be forgotten before you even leave the room.
I hope he'll be back before it wears off.
I'll be back before she even knows I'm gone.
I'll do the fight before he causes any more carnage.
I'll give him a few days before he barrels through those doors in clear violation of Section 214.
I'll leave all of you quickly before he finishes your...
I'll try to get back before she sails.
Is that before or after he puts you in the ground?
Listen, I think I'll walk down to the creek before it gets too dark.
Max will continue his development, and who knows how long it will be before he achieves success.
More than anything else in her life, she wants to see Paris before she dies.
Now, before we begin, we have a very special film.
Sadly, the AIDS crisis will only get worse before it gets better.
So we will definitely run out of food and water before we hit civilization.
That radiation will cook you from the inside before you know it.
Before or after he turns over in his grave?
We'll be back to headquarters before she wakes up.
Well, I'll phone you before I get on the plane.
We'll get a jacket on you before she arrives.
Well then, I guess I'll have to carry him a few rounds before he drops.
We're gonna leave before you think of something else to say.
You ever notice how a woman will pat her nose before she goes to a party?